You must be Coinceras, right? I'm flattered that you revisited my channel. Virtual and augmented reality will be our topics of discussion, and I will also bring up a few of other news items. Always fully committed to XRP, no matter the market situation. They assert that bearer bull will persist in supporting XRP. Prutru is taking an admiral position. This seems to be the direction every conversation is heading these days. They anticipate that the value of XRP will surge. A statement issued by representatives in November 2020 will also be relevant as of June 2024. The perfect legal environment for lenders who accept Bitcoin as collateral will be laid either by the UCC legislative reforms that other states will adopt or by the regulation of crypto staking in 2020 for passive revenue. Oklahoma is one of the states. What I appreciate most is that I'm eagerly anticipating the bank's announcement that they would accept cryptocurrency as collateral. Man, you ain't got shit in your bank account would be the reply I would hear if I went to the bank right now to ask for a loan. On the other hand, they would make me sit down if I could merely reveal my Bitcoin wallet. While I wait for that day to come, how can we be of service to you? Many crypto speculators do not actually own any cryptocurrency. Digital currency holds all of their wealth. Part of this involves smoking and part of it involves trading cryptocurrencies. Market institutions are anticipated to play an increasingly crucial role as the Bitcoin industry develops. At the same time as institutional investors pour money into cryptocurrency markets, institutional-grade crypto technology will arrive. Everything, even the platforms, is visible. Retail investors are the primary focus of crypto trading businesses. Regular investors' faith was restored, leading to a large increase in the volume of cryptocurrency trades following the FTX. Therefore, a trading platform that is tailored to the specific requirements of institutional investors is essential. Crypto has entered the mainstream thanks to the SEC's decision to allow Bitcoin ETFs, and it's likely that institutions will become more active in developing their crypto market in the future. Everyone will be on board once the institutions are there. Rules and regulations will cause this shift. Great things are on the horizon as a result of that. A major Forbes contributor predicts that the price of XRP will surge before the Biden-Trump debate. The conversation has already taken place while I am filming this video. Bitcoin and XRP did not experience a significant price increase. Forecasts are merely that, forecasts. On occasion, I need to remind them of that. You are cognizant of the fact that a major event is supposed to take place on this day every year. During the day, nothing significant occurs. Give me the reason for your question. At this very moment, the Bitcoin market's future is entirely uncertain. Now is the time to take this US debt clock, currency printed by the US Federal Reserve. This is a combination of a bond and stock. The federal law allows everyone to join a Ponzi scheme, collect interest on a banquet savings account, and start the account with just $1. The Treasury's payment is much anticipated, and I eagerly await it. When it finally arrives, I have no doubt that it will be stunning. Yet, the present US dollar will remain a currency characterized by hyperinflation until that time comes. Not even tomorrow can we tell you what's going to happen. The commercial real estate market might have a bubble burst, that much is certain. There might have been a real estate market bubble that exploded. They were lately acquired by another bank. Recurrence of bank runs is also possible. The US dollar's future is completely unpredictable. Our enormous debt has put everything in jeopardy. Retail sales of CBDC will not be possible prior to that date. I propose a medium twist cone as we have once again been excluded from the debt clock. We apologize, but we do not accept cash at this time. I feel like I understand this. I will be utterly furious when we converse on my phone. My sincerest apologies, madam. Unfortunately, we will not be able to complete your upcoming orders. That just cannot be done. Despite the fact that I am aware that my account has a plenty of funds, there is a distinct code 186. An mistake probably occurred. Excuse me, ma'am. Consequently, you won't have any money to spend on things that are fun or long-lasting. It seems that crypto loading and silver stacking are no longer relevant. You should be aware that they could care less if you utilize CBDC to purchase Bitcoin in the future. Cryptocurrency, on the other hand, will instantly increase your wealth. Everything needed to make a CBDC appears to be present. Another thing I enjoy is that the debt clock also wears CBDC. I have a strong aversion to CBD. If the existing financial system were to use XRP, I believe it would have a greater impact. As a result of Monica Long's comments regarding one of the XRP ETFs, they have once again been in the spotlight. That this will come to pass is our anticipation. In the same vein as what Nine said, ETFs are nothing more than a con to promote bogus Bitcoin and related products. So says Rob Kiyosaki. So, why would someone want to acquire Bitcoin in large quantities? Investments in stocks. Do you want to know if I would purchase them? No. To my knowledge, there is no rationale for why it shouldn't. For the same reasons that I stay away from gold and silver ETFs are the exchange-traded funds ETFs that track Bitcoin, silver, and gold. Fake as an example, 1 ounce of gold can be sold 100 times by a single gold ETF. That is the crux of my case here with you. It has never made sense to me to purchase an ETF when one could simply purchase XRP. Up until BlackRock tokenizes Bitcoin ETFs and the DTCC acknowledges the adjustments to DTC collateral haircuts, no investment vehicle using Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency as an underlying investment will be awarded collateral value. The end outcome will be a thorough haircut, rendering it almost useless. Companies that are unable to get financing using these ETFs are also excluded. Their enthusiasm for them will wane after a while. A company's balance sheet should only include assets and liabilities that can be easily converted into cash. Also, I have been doing that job for an extended period of time. Although others have argued otherwise, I do not believe the XRP ETF is crucial to driving up the price of XRP. The real factor that will cause XRP's price to rise, though, is its practicality. Serving as a medium for the temporary storage of XRP, harassment on the internet. The Better Business Bureau was one of the American organizations that fell victim to a cyber attack. The Federal Reserve System was recently discovered to have been breached. According to the Better Business Bureau, further hacks will most certainly take place in the near future as part of their larger plan. The Federal Reserve's yearly stress test was passed by all of the big US banks. Am I getting the impression that you're buying into it, or are we able to rephrase it at all? Not even JP Morgan buys into it. All 31 large US banks were able to pass the stress test, according to the Federal Reserve. According to JP Morgan, that is not real. Furthermore, I concur with JP Morgan. Obviously, the banks are having a tough time right now. People are wary of putting their money in banks anymore due to the issues we've witnessed with them. As a break from traditional banking, their involvement in cash apps is noteworthy. Therein is the meat of the issue. For the same reasons, Janet Yellen has often said that bank deposits are risk-free thanks to the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation (FDIC) guarantee. However, we have observed the FDIC discussing bail-ins. It is likely on its way if it is receiving mentions. The world no longer needs Janet Yellen. The fact that you've subscribed and taken the time to view my channel is greatly appreciated. We can meet up later.